Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises to revolutionize your kitchen experience. We're talking about the CAROTE 31-piece pots and pans set, a collection that boasts non-stick granite coatings, induction compatibility, and a whole lot more. Let's unpack what you get with this massive set. CAROTE provides a generous array of pieces. You'll find an 8-inch fry pan, a 9.5-inch fry pan, and an 11-inch fry pan. For sauces and smaller batches, there's a 2-quart saucepan with a lid and a 3-quart saucepan with its own lid. When you need to go bigger, a 4-quart stockpot with a lid and a substantial 6-quart stockpot with a lid are included. Then there's the versatile 4.5-quart sauté pan, also complete with a lid. Beyond the pots and pans themselves, this set is packed with extras. You get a dedicated egg pan, a ladle, a fish turner, a solid turner, a spatula, a whisk, and even a steamer basket. To protect your investment, 9 pan protectors are thrown in, along with a handy container. That's a lot of value for a single purchase. At the core of this CAROTE set is its reinforced die-cast aluminum construction. This material choice is designed to deliver long-term durability and reliability. It's also engineered to remain relatively lightweight, which is a significant convenience when you're maneuvering pots and pans around the stovetop or washing them up. This thoughtful construction aims to make your entire cooking journey smoother, from prep to cleanup. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, the non-stick coating. CAROTE highlights a top-level, harder non-stick granite material. They claim a 10x ultra non-stick performance, which, if true, means your daily cooking should be significantly safer and healthier. This type of coating is often lauded for its ability to prevent food from sticking, reducing the need for excessive oils or butter, and making cleanup an absolute breeze. The granite finish also adds a certain aesthetic appeal to the cookware. The durability aspect is further emphasized by the reinforced die-cast aluminum. This construction is meant to make the cookware resistant to wear and tear, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of frequent usage without a significant drop in performance. This means you shouldn't expect to replace these pots and pans anytime soon, which is always a welcome prospect for any home cook. When it comes to cleaning, CAROTE recommends hand washing. They state it's effortless to clean, and you can simply wipe it with a paper towel or rinse it with water. This suggests that the non-stick properties are robust enough to prevent stubborn food residue from clinging. While many people prefer dishwashers, hand washing often helps preserve the longevity of non-stick coatings, so this recommendation is quite standard for high-quality non-stick cookware. Heat distribution is crucial for effective cooking, and CAROTE addresses this with an extended bottom design on all pieces. This feature is specifically designed to ensure that the cookware heats up quickly and evenly. Crucially, this even heating applies to all cooktops, including induction, which is a modern kitchen essential. This means whether you're simmering, searing, or boiling, you can expect consistent results across the entire surface of the pan. Finally, CAROTE backs this comprehensive set with a 12-month warranty from the date of purchase. They encourage customers to reach out if they encounter any quality problems, promising a satisfying solution. This warranty provides peace of mind, demonstrating CAROTE's confidence in their product and their commitment to customer satisfaction. So, who is this CAROTE 31-piece set for? It's an excellent option for someone setting up a new kitchen, looking to completely upgrade their existing cookware, or for those who frequently cook a variety of dishes that require different types of pots and pans. The sheer volume of pieces means you're unlikely to be caught without the right tool for the job. The focus on non-stick performance and durability makes it a practical choice for everyday cooking, and the inclusion of accessories like the steamer and protectors adds significant value. The induction compatibility is a huge plus for modern kitchens. On the downside, as mentioned, hand washing is recommended. If you're someone who exclusively uses a dishwasher, this might be a point of consideration. Also, with 31 pieces, storage could become an issue for those with limited cabinet space. While the construction is durable, like all non-stick cookware, proper care will be essential to maximize its lifespan. Overall, the CAROTE 31-piece pots and pans set appears to be a comprehensive and well-thought-out collection for the home chef. It offers a substantial amount of value, focusing on essential features like non-stick performance, durability, and broad cooktop compatibility. The included accessories further enhance its appeal, making it a strong contender for anyone in the market for new cookware. Link in the description.